Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today in this video we will learn about Create Stretch tool and how you can slow or fast your video motion in Premiere Pro. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. First drag drop your footage in timeline and then you click on this. You see. So here you see Create Stretch tool, select this. So now you see the original footage. I played the man jumping rope. So in this video I want slow speed and you see the original time is 7 seconds and 1 frame. So just by selected Create Stretch tool, you can drag this line. You can drag this line by cursor like this. And you see the time duration is 1 second and 9 frame increase, and the second time duration is total time duration of this clip, and if you increase then the stretch time duration increase and whole time duration also increase. So I stretch this to 10 seconds and leave this. So now play the video. You see the speed of jumping rope man is slow now. If you stretch this more, then the speed is more slow than before. If you stretch this, then the speed is slow, and if you compress, then the speed increase. You see the fast motion. So if you stretch this, then speed is slow, and if you compress this, then the video speed motion is fast. So if you did not want to stretch this line by this method, then the second method is just select selection tool and then right click on this footage, and here you see the option speed duration. Click on this. Here you see current speed is 183.33%. So if I change this into 100% and then click OK. So now play the video. The video now is in original position. So again go to speed duration, and if I enter here 150% and then click OK, so the speed is fast. So in speed, if you entered greater values, then the speed of video increase, and if you entered less values, then video play in slow motion. And from here you can also set the duration of video like this. If I go to left, then time decrease, and if I go to right, then the time increase, and you see now time is 5 second 21 frames, and now 6 second 4 frames, then 6 second 23 frames. So like this, from here you can set also. So one more interesting feature of this is you can reverse your video. If you go to speed duration, right click, go to speed duration, and here you see one option reverse speed. Just click on this and click OK and play the video. So the bike move in backward. So like this you can reverse your video. And In reverse motion, if you want to slow or fast the video, then change the video in speed like this. Go to speed duration, and from here you can change the speed of your video. If I entered here 200% and then click OK, and now play the video. The bike moves faster than in backward position. Hope you guys understand how you can change motion of your video. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. If you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. Take care. Bye bye.